Hello, my dear students. In this video, I am going to explain again about the linear inequations, but from the types, type 1, type 2, type 3. Just I had made the one video previous in my earlier video, that is the rules of inequations with examples I told already. So you must watch the previous video based on the linear inequations and then you watch this video, because if you don't know the rules, then you cannot solve such type of inequations. So you must know the rule. And for this, if you follow or subscribe the Study Bright channel, then you will get also some more information about your mathematics subject. And in this video, I am going to explain you about the questions based on the linear inequations. I have taken the reference of the book Understanding ICSE Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. So you must have the book, or if any other book, then also no problem, because I am writing the questions, and this type of questions you will get everywhere in every book, chapter, linear inequations for class 10. I have made several videos and my playlist also updated. So class 10 students can see like GST, banking, shares and dividends, and this one. Also last year also I have made those many videos. So you can see the different topics. If you search, you will get the different topics. Now, type 1. I told already in my earlier video the two questions of type 1. Again the one more question, exercise 4, the chapter 4 linear inequations. Question number 7, x minus 3 in bracket 2 plus x greater than 2 in bracket 3x minus 1. And the solution set also given x belongs to this. What is the meaning of this? Meaning means you have to write the answer, means after solving this inequation, when you write the solution, you must take the answer elements from this set. इस set से ही answer देना है. And solution you have to represent on the number line also. तो लेटर बताएंगे, बाद में बता देंगे. First you start the solution. If you have bracket, then you must open the bracket. So minus 3 you multiply here, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus 3 into x, minus 3x. Similarly 2 3s are 6x and minus 2. Clear? Then simplify this part, because x and minus 3x, minus 2x, minus 6. Clear? 6x minus 2. Now how to solve the type 1? Already I told, but again, you write all the variable in the left hand side and write all the digits without variable in the right hand side. By adding and subtracting, अभी हमने add लिखा, जैसे for example you have to write this variable, because this variable 6x you have to write in the left hand side. So how you can take from the right from right hand side to the left hand side? By cancelling it on the right hand side. How you will cancel? अगर plus 6x है, तो it means you have to add the minus 6x. Then it will be cancelled. But क्या is it possible that you add minus 6x only in this side? No. Always in equation and in inequation, if you are adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, you must do in both the sides, in all the sides. So minus 6x है, तो you add minus 6x both the sides. Similarly, you have to cancel this minus 6 from the left hand side, because you have to write in this side. How you can? It is minus 6. If you add plus 6, then you will get. So add minus 6 and minus plus 6 both the side, you will get this type of expression. Minus 2x, minus 6 and minus 8x is greater than 4. Now it is minus. you have to remove, if you have only one term in the left hand side, only one means term where it is used the variable, and it is minus sign, negative, then you must change into the positive. तो माइनस को प्लस में करने के लिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो बोथ द साइड्स, then you will get it is 8x. And when you multiply, I explained in the first video, when the sign of inequation changes, so when you multiply by the negative sign, the sign of inequation will change into the greater than to less than. Okay, this greater than to less than, and this -4 is there. Now divide by 8, so x is less than -4 by 8, then you will get x is less than -1 by 2, 4 to the 8, and -1 by 2 less than -1 by 2. Now check the solution set. How many numbers are there which is less than -1 by 2? So less than -1 by 2, when -1 by 2 comes here, it means -1, -2, -3 are the numbers which you can take as the solution set. Means the solution of this expression inequation, x is equal to -3, -2, -. Clear? This is the answer. Next thing, represent on the number line. How to represent? Draw the number line in middle, that is 0. Then in the left hand side, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, etc. Because these three numbers should put the dot on -1, -2 and -3 dark circle. This is the number line. So you can see it is very simple, very easy, only addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and you can get the answer. Now the type 2. In the type 2, there are questions in which you will have two inequation signs. Two inequation signs. -2 is question number 11. I tell you with example. 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 11 by 6, where x belongs to natural number. You have to represent on the number line also. Type 2. What is the meaning of type 2? You can see the first difference from the type 1. In the type 1 there is one inequation sign, and here you can see the two inequation sign in one question. दो inequation sign दिख रहे. And one more thing, you will get the variable between the two inequation sign. मतलब this is the term in which the variable x is used, not in the left hand side and not in the right hand side. इन दोनों साइड में वेरिएबल नहीं. तो अगर ऐसा होता है कि इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और इन द राइट हैंड साइड वेरिएबल मिलता है, देन व्हाट यू डू, यू विल गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इन टाइप 3. इसलिए दैट इज व्हाई आई टोल्ड देयर आर टाइप 3 टाइप्स, टाइप 1, टाइप 2 एंड टाइप 3. How to solve such type of questions? Very easy. First of all, you take LCM. जो भी है LCM ले सब में. तो what you will get LCM? Here 6 is the LCM. 3 minus 4x, and here already 6. And make linear. How to make linear? अगर ये फ्रैक्शन में थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी हो सकती है, but if you make linear then there will be no difficulty. It means if you multiply by 6 all the sides by its LCM, what you will get? The 6 will be cancelled from the denominator, so you can write here multiply by 6 all the sides. So it will be clear. 6 is cancelled, 6 to the, यहीं पे 6 नहीं था तो 1 से अगर हमने इसको 6 मतलब की मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो in that case you will get the same. Now how will you do the means this is the LCM is 6 and after multiplying by the 6 this will be cancelled and here you will get minus 2. Now how to solve this? अब ये linear में change होंगे. You must cancel the digits which is present in the center between the two inequations. जैसे यहाँ पे digits 4 भी है 3 भी है, but first you cancel the digit without variable which is in the center. So 3 is there. So minus 3 if you do add minus 3 both all the sides. So what you will get? Minus 12 minus 3, 3 minus 4x minus 3, 11 minus 3. So this 3 and 3 will be cancelled. Minus 15, minus 4x and 8. Clear? Then you change. अभी हमने बताया था कि x के साथ अगर कहीं x सिंपल बचा है तो if it is negative then you must change into the positive. How to change into the positive? If you multiply by minus 1, so multiply by minus 1. So what you will get 15, and when you multiply by the negative number, the sign of inequation again changes. तो ये साइन क्या हो जाएगा? ऐसे बन जाएगा 4x and this is also minus 8. Clear? Multiply by minus 1. Now cancel the digit which is multiplied by with variable. अभी इसमें variable के साथ में 4 है, इसको भी हटाना है. Then you will get the answer. तो divide by 4, so 15 by 4 is greater than or equal to x is greater than or equal to minus 8 by 4 means minus 2. Clear? So you can write here divide by 4. Then you write this one. Now, one more thing. I told in the rules of the inequation in the first part of this video, that is the if you want to change the signs, then also the sign of inequation will change. But when you will change the signs, you must listen carefully. The right hand side in equation, the right hand side must be the greater number in comparison of the left hand side. किसी भी आंसर में जब ये आंसर आए तो एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग द लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड साइड इज द लेसर नंबर, मतलब कि ये कम है, लेस नंबर है देन द राइट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, देन यू मस्ट इंटरचेंज द नंबर्स because minus 2 is less than that 15 by 4 but it should be greater, right side number should be greater. तो minus 2 को इधर रखना है, 15 by 4 को इधर रखना है. तो when you interchange the sides, then the sign of inequation again changes. Only interchanging the sides और तो sign ये change हो जाएगा. Now the question is there that x belongs to natural number. You have to write only the numbers which lies between minus 2 say 15 by 4. You can write this one 3 whole 3 by 4. This. It means what is the meaning of this? X lies between minus 2 to 15 by 4. How many numbers are there? Natural numbers are there in between these two numbers. So everyone can find that is 1, 2 and 3. 4 is not there because it is less than 3 and 3 by 4. So 4 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So only 3 numbers are there that are the natural. And then on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1 sufficient. Then put the dark circle on 1, 2 and 3. This is the number line. So by this way you can get the type 2 answers also. In type 3, this is also very easy. Type 3. type 2 and type 3 both are the similar type, but in type 3 the variables are present in two sides in same middle, and also in two sides left and right are all the three sides. तो किस भी तरह से हो सकता है. तो just I'm taking the one question, that is 22 minus 3 x minus 7 greater than 15 minus 7x x plus 1 by 3. X belongs to real number and the solution represent on the number diagrams. You can see the variables are present in all the sides. How to solve? This is the type 3. Only type 3 types. तो ये जब क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे तो if you solve the exercise you will get the same type of questions in exercise 4 everywhere. How to solve? Here you have to write first part. First part means take left hand side and the middle part like this. First left hand side and the middle part just in equation sign के पहले. Write in one place. Clear? And simplify as type 1. जैसे type 1 simplify किया था वैसे ही type simplify करें. तो first you multiply the bracket, this open the bracket plus 21 and then write minus 7x here and 21 there, 15 minus 21, add plus 7x and minus 21 both sides. Clear? So it is 4x and 15 6 minus 6. So x is greater than or equal to minus 6 by 4, or x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. When you have the first part and you are getting like this, बिल्कुल last, okay, after simplifying the type like type 1, you interchange these two. इसको interchange करना है. तो what you will have? अभी मैं बताऊंगा क्यों. This type. This sign will change. Minus 3 by 2 will come in left hand side and x will be in right hand side. And this you write as 1. Clear? This is the first type. Now the second part. This is the first part. Now the second part. In second part, what you will write? The middle part and the right hand part. You can see 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1 by 3. And this is also the like type 1. Now simplify as it is, as usual. So how to simplify? This is in fraction, denominator multiply by 3, all the sides. So you can write here multiply by 3. So 45 minus 21x is greater than x plus 1. Then take x here and 1 minus 45. So add, how to take this x here? By taking the minus x, adding minus x, and 45 is there, minus 45, both sides. So minus 22x and minus 44. Then multiply by the minus sign. So it will be multiply by minus. So 22x and this sign will change, add is 44. Now divide by 22, so it will be 2. This is the inequation 2. इसमें इसको इधर ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं. एक inequation 1 था जिसमें हमने कहा था and you got the value this x, okay, and now you have x is less than 2. This is in equation 1 अभी भी बताया, and this is in equation 2. You have to find the range of x, the solution of it. How to find the range of x? Because first part and second part both are the parts of one question only. Only the question is the same question. Only you have break the two parts. तो अब इसको ज्वाइन भी करना, you have to join, combine these two parts. How to combine? Write in equation as it is. Now combine part 1 and 2. Okay, so first one you write as it is, and second one, because x is already there, only you write this part, मतलब x को छोड़ दे, तो it is second part. This is first part and this is second part combined. Okay, it is clear. One thing, यहाँ पे right hand side अभी मैंने बताया था इसके पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में कि that should be the greater from the left hand side, and it is there. 2 is greater than the minus 3 by 2, so there is no problem. अगर ये चीज इधर होती है ये इधर होती तो हमको इंटरचेंज करना पड़ेगा. Now x belongs to real number. तो what is the solution set? This is the x 2 minus 3 by 2 and x belongs to. You have to write the solution set like this. Only in the case of real number you will write like this. Don't write the digits, क्योंकि real numbers, there are infinite real numbers between 1 and 2, also between 1.1 and 1.2 also. Now on the number line, how to represent? You can see minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 means where in the number line you will get, this is the minus 3 by 2. Clear? And minus 3 by 2, the less than sign is given, not equal. So you must draw an empty circle, and from there draw a line up to 2. Here no equal sign, so on the 2 also the empty circle. This represent, this is minus 3 by 2. This represent the values of x lies between minus 3 by 2 to 2 on the number line. So this is the way to represent. So by this way you can get the answers of all the questions, and you must watch again and again the videos, because I have explained very clearly, and I think you can understand. So you follow the channel, study bright. Thank you.